and thank you for last night's sporting event.
Obviously, our minds right now are very much with our fellow Americans and fans and competitors from all over the world who woke up yesterday and went to run and cheer on at another terrific sporting event, the Boston Marathon. His last hours were as perfect as an 8-year-old boy could hope for, with his family eating ice cream at a sporting. Now, one of the cool things about this job is welcoming championship sports teams from across the sporting world to the White House.